in Indiana, but I'm headed to Kentucky. Val's here visiting some family, so I took off. And we're about to cross the bridge into Kentucky. And we're going to go check out the Louisville Slugger Museum. Well, we're going to try. But I got to pay attention to the road. We're in downtown Louisville. I had to find a parking spot. Not too bad, not too bad. But we're gonna walk over to the Louisville Slugger baseball bat factory and museum. I won't talk through this one, save you guys some trouble.
Here from Louisville? Okay, welcome to Louisville. Glad to see all of you. My name is Mandy, and I will get to take you through the factory for this tour. Louisville Slugger actually started in 1856 when Mr. J. Fred Hillerick established Hillerick Job Turning, meaning he used a lathe. They made porch support columns, spindles and railings for banisters, bedposts, newel posts, anything that needed to be turned on a lathe. And Louisville was the 12th largest city in the country. We had a lot of steamboat traffic out on the Ohio, and we were growing all the time. We were lined up with Chicago and New Orleans on the western frontier. Yes, it sounds strange, but the country pretty much ended at the Mississippi River. So by 1880, J. Fred was employing 20 people in the factory. And that's also the year his son Bud came and joined him as an apprentice. J. Fred had one caution about Bud. Bud was a passionate baseball player. Just absolutely loved to play ball. And wasn't playing, he was watching. His father said, "Nobody is ever going to make money from baseball. You need to concentrate on the things that keep us in business." Very sound advice, very fatherly advice. And of course, no way of knowing what was going to happen. Come on in those next few years. But by 1884, Bud was an expert wood turner in his own right. And There are a very few records in the company archives that some bats were made from professional players in that year. So 2024, 1884, this is our 140th anniversary year. In that time, the company has made over 200 million Louisville Slugger baseball bats. We still make about 1.8 million every year. This is the only factory in the world where we make the wooden Louisville Slugger bats. So all of the major league teams and the minor leagues and all, they use bats that were made here. As we go through the factory, there's a few things that are safety that we have to go over. OSHA, of course, we said we were going to have factory tours. They said, what? Yellow line, caution, stay within the yellow lines as we go through the factory. You'll be right next to machinery and to bats in various stages of production. Please don't touch anything. Along the way, there are some bats and billets that I can hand to you, and pass those around. We do want you to be able to heft a few of those. Please don't swing them in any time.
I remember when all we wanted to be was pro athletes, celebrities. We were dreamers, believers that we could make it. We were living the good life, bike rides, Nickelodeon vibes, just searching for whatever we could find. Love, happiness, and just the Taco Bell life. The wonder years. We never thought we'd grow up, never believed we could fall in love. Step by step, year by year, we got a little older, but I'll never forget the wonder years. Before we could go to bars, we would throw snowballs at cop cars, staying up, getting drunk on life and memories. I remember it was fall of '05, school dances, we were scared, damn right, just hoping for the night of our lives. Love, happiness, or just the Taco Bell life. The wonder years. We never thought we'd grow up, never believed we could fall in love. Step by step, year by year, we got a little older, but I'll never forget the wonder years. The seasons changed, all of a sudden we went separate ways. No hate, different paths, different dreams. Each of you will always be a part of me. Yeah.
Well, that was it. The Louisville Slugger Museum. Look, I got a free little bat. It costs $22 to get in there. And you get to go through the museum. And you get to go through the factory. But you can't take video in the factory. But you can do stills, as you can see. Anyway, hey, back to the car. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. See you on the baseball side.